Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how we're gonna organize our napkins in the kitchen drawers. So here, right now it looks like this. Everything is just tossed in there. The rest of the napkins I just washed, so I thought I should empty everything and show you how I am going to organize it. So it looks pretty clean, but I'm gonna still clean it. See bread pieces, etc. So I am just going to quick clean it with the microfiber cloth. Hope you can see it because I am holding the phone today. My goal is to keep this video up to 6 minutes or 5 minutes or less than that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and press the bell button as well so you can notify when my new videos come. So I'm going to put paper in there, like lining. I have already cut for the other drawer and I'm not going to organize that one. So they are the same size, but let's see. I think it's a little short, but we should be okay. So here we go. And then the product I am going to use, this is the Dollar Tree. You have seen me using this for my bathroom organizing, which I am still working on the challenge I have started. Okay, so yes, this is Essentials Organizer, only for $1. I will link it's not my affiliate link, so but I would still like to help and would put the link in my down below in the descriptions. You know, you can order a box of 24 for $24, as many as drawers you have you can organize. And I so far have purchased, like, this is my 12th bin I have bought, and I'm still going to buy these. They're really good. So I bought 4, and I knew because upstairs drawers and these are the same size, so that's why I just knew that 4 will fit here. So we're gonna put a 4 in there. I'm gonna switch the phone in the other hand. Here. 4 are going to be there. See, pretty good. All 4 of them are here. So they're like kind of little tight, but then I don't need the putty or anything else for them. Now I have folded my I just brought my napkins from the drawer and I have folded them. These are regular napkins we use and only wash every week. And here, folded these as well. Folded these. And then the other one I'm going to fold, so I probably have to pause because I can't hold my phone and fold. Okay, so I folded these. You guys saw they were all shoveled in there, and now these are good for us for the whole month. And I wash weekly, so kids mostly use these. They're really good fabric and no grease or anything else stays on them. These are from Partner Barn and they get stained really quick. I don't try to use them. These are from, I guess they're from that Williams-Sonoma store, and they're very good too. And these are not good, so I'm trying to keep them like in the bag so we won't use it. But see, it's less than 5 minutes and we have organized. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not going to do tablecloth in this drawer anymore. And see, less than 5 minutes and really nice drawer organizer. Since I am on a really mission to organize my whole house, so please subscribe to my channel, and your homework is that pick one drawer in your kitchen and organize. Either it's your cutlery or it's your like napkins, or however you like. Another video I did how to make a napkin ring. I will put the link below and card up there, so just watch that. And thank you so much for watching me. I'm gonna quickly show you as I said, work on your cutlery drawer. I'm gonna show you my cutlery, how I organized that. So just give me a moment. Here is how I organized my cutlery, and this is from that's not what we use every day at home, but these bins are from Dollar Tree as well. And oh, hope they don't break. So here what I have down, which we used into that, and I think the bin is a little flimsy, but hope it does not break or something. But see the spoons and our fork and knives, the smaller spoons and fork, and there in the back I have like soup spoons, etc. And here they're just serving spoons. But it's ever since I have done it, it's really easy to grab whenever we need that. Otherwise you just like, otherwise it's a hassle. Okay, here I showed you that. So pick one drawer to work on. It will really give you a sense of accomplishment. It will make you happy that you did something. And as long as you be organized, fully organized, finally you will get tons of free time to spend with your family, which is more important. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you in my next video. Let me know if there is any certain videos you want me to do it.